Taco Tuesday! Taco Tuesday! Casserole! Oh, but it might not be Tuesday when you're watching this, so. And I'm not even making it on Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday, guys. Get over it. But we're making a casserole. We're not making regular tacos in the shells. We're making it in a casserole. That's what we're doing. If you don't like it, I don't care, because we're making taco casserole on taco, not Tuesday. What day is it, Anthony?
It's Friday.
It's Friday. Taco Friday. Let's go get the ingredients. Come on! So these are all the ingredients that's going to go in the taco casserole. We have our ground beef. This is taco seasoning. I have a couple tomatoes, some shredded cheese, of course the chips, salt and pepper, sour cream, have some refried beans, and this is shredded lettuce and cilantro. I just mixed them together because they're going on top. So that's the ingredients for the taco casserole. All right, so first thing you want to do is brown your ground beef. You're going to add some salt and pepper to this. All right, so you just want to keep browning this. Do not add the taco seasoning yet, because if you add it now, you're going to strain all this and you're going to lose all that flavor. So just brown all this, and then once you strain it, then you can add the taco mix. All right, so I've drained the ground beef. Now I'm going to add the taco seasoning. You just want to incorporate this, mix it together real good. If it's too dry, you can add a little water, just a little bit though. But that should be good. I'm going to cut the heat off. All right, this is going to just sit here while we put together the taco casserole. All right, so the foundation, I went ahead and put the refried beans on the bottom just because it's messy. So that's already done. So that's going to be your first layer. And you're going to add the sour cream on top of that. Just going to spread that out, depending on how much sour cream you like. So just put that on the second layer. All right, next we're gonna add the ground beef. That wonderful taco seasoning. I just bought the store-bought. If you wanna make it on your own, go right ahead. All right, next we're going to put the cheese layer on there. And I shredded this myself. I don't like the pre-shredded. This seems to be a lot better. And I use extra sharp. I love extra sharp. And then we're not going to put the lettuce on here because we don't want it to get wilted. Of course, you want it crispy. Get out of here. And last but not least, now we're going to add the chips. And I would just crust these up a little bit. I wouldn't do it too much. All right, now I'm going to cover this, bake it at about 350 for about 15-20 minutes, just depends, because everything's already cooked. You just want to melt the cheese and toast everything. All right, so we're going to set it in the oven and see what it looks like. All right, so this is fresh out of the oven. Now I'm going to top it off with the cilantro and shredded lettuce. And the tomatoes. And there you have it, taco casserole. Hope you guys enjoy it. All right, guys, look at that. Oh my God, this smells and looks amazing. Holy crap. This is delicious. All right, I think I'm gonna go eat this whole thing. I'll be right back. Okay, that's it for Taco Tuesday Friday Casserole. Okay, that's it. Just a taco casserole. Pretty easy to make. Doesn't take too much time. You can use the leftovers in the Tostito bag where all the crumblies go that you normally throw away. Just put that in there. Makes a delicious casserole, guys. We will see you next time. Okay? Please, let's go. Subscribe. Let's do this. I gotta run.